Hello everyone, and I am back to YouTube, and all of you who missed me, which is probably just a small amount of no one. But anyway, I am back with another game, because that's why I was gone for so long. I was looking for a new game to play for you guys, because I didn't know, but now I have a lot more games, so I won't have to run out. And this one is called Risk of Rain, and honestly, I don't know too much about it, other than the fact that I'm this tiny guy, right here, this tiny little guy, and I can use these abilities like Z, and yeah, pretty much you just gotta kill these monsters, and like you have to see how long you survive. Boom. Woo! That crap, used the wrong button. I meant to use the dodge. Crap, didn't even do that either. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Boy, what's good? You ain't nothing but shit. Ooh, level up. That's all you gotta do pretty much is just survive. Woo! I took some damage from that. Whatever. What's over here? Woo! This is a nice little stiff area, honestly. Not too much going down. What's this? Press in to purchase chest, or is that A? That's A, okay. I'll take that. Ow. Wait, what is that? Stay alive. Nope. I have to kill that thing? That's really hard. I don't know about killing that big guy. No, God, move, run. Get out. Get out. Let's see, I keep doing this and I'll have no problem. I'm like, I don't know how much damage I'm doing to that guy. All I gotta do is stay here and be alive. That's it. Oh! I actually can shield that guy. Like. Yeah, he has a boss. He has like a boss bar. I'm probably not gonna go on the screen for you guys because I made a mistake and I put the recording thing too little. Get out of the way. No! 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 Oh god! He's almost dead. Almost dead. Haha, I killed it. Enemies remain. I have to kill these guys to get out of here? Crap. Alright then. Okay. Ooh, dodge. Aha. Now I eradicate you all. Come on. This thing is so ready for me. Let's get rid of all these guys. Just to teleport. everybody. Ah, remaining enemies 0. Okay, let's go first. Oh, never mind, he won't come back down. Alright, got that on his teleporter and... Huh? Oh, 8. Oh, dang it. It's okay. Nope. Haha. Starting to be able to do this game. With all these. Will-O-Wisp. Charge to chance to detonate an enemy on kill. Oh my god! That was cool. They're the last 5, huh? They don't know I'm here yet, do they? No, they don't. Oh, they can't even walk over here. And now they're all dead. So now I can get to this teleporter. I think. Ooh, dive. I say to teleport. Huh? Oh. I wonder where it took me. Damp caverns. Oh. Fungus heaven. Fungus heaven, huh? See, what I want to do real quick is fix the. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna fix the thing so you can see the full screen of everything. Cause I don't want you just seeing like the brim and all that. And you're missing some stuff. Well, you're not really missing too much. The only thing you can't really see is the boss thing. I'll fix it next time. Wait, where'd I go? Oh yeah. Whee! It's really hard to see myself. Honestly, I can't really go any higher than that. Dang it! Yeah, I can't go any higher than that. I can do it. Aha, there we go. Oh my god, he can snipe me! Okay, he can snipe me real good. Loser. Can I climb this? Yeah, it's real very good. Go up there and really burst this guy in the face. That's good. He detonated the last second. Cool. Oh, crap, it hurts. Detonation. The Munsies. This game's really weird. It reminds me of like Terraria, but really action-packed. Dang, I wanted to knock him down. There we go. They just spawn? Ah, poison. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. They just go spawn. No! Yeah, there. Dang, I keep wasting that ability. I'm trying to jump and I'll push the button that makes me not jump. I'm not even gonna try to fight that guy. I'm out here. Gotta get to another teleporter. But God knows if one of those is gonna be a... Okay, I don't know what to do. I just gotta like, push the jump button or whatever. And this would go higher. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna do this one and go up this one instead. Ashama. I watch too much Jacksepticeye. Yes! What's this? Red whip, move fast out of combat. Oh ho ho! That'll be useful. Oh! It was a trap! This guy knows what he's doing, huh? No, how about you don't do that? beluga. Heal. Alright, is dang it, monsters. How would you die? Oop. Run. Alright, thank God I have that will-o-wisp and it just blows them up. Alright, that's useful. What's this? Monster Tooth, healed after kills. Oh, that's a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better. Ooh, there goes the teleporter. No! I must get the teleporter. Use. There he is. There's the next boss. Not after you guys. Not after you guys. Not after you guys. I don't think I'm ready for this yet. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Oh, this is bad. Oh, bad. I gotta kill his friends first. Come on, blow up already. Oh, go down. Gotta heal. Give me that health, baby. Okay. Kill them over there and they can't get me. Okay, they both died. Horribly and ruthless. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stop it! Dang it! Stay away. Alright, 70 out of 90 seconds. I'm not after you. I literally am not after you. Dang it, these mushroom dudes. Gotta get up there. Gotta kill him. Alright, the teleporter is ready. I have to kill these guys first, including Mr. Bossman up there. No! God dang it, I keep falling. After this, I will call this video ends. You just go dang on thing. Ooh. What's this? Oh, I got a little sentry there. This is a lot easier now. Crap, poison. Stop. Alright, that's another one down. Let's kill him at the boss now, right? Die, you unholy thing! Bam! Oh, little ugly airplane, how did you get stuck in the ground? Ow. Come on, he's almost dead. He's almost dead. Not really any health either, God, it's hard. But what does all this stuff do? And his music was electric. Oh, it electrifies people. Ooh, I like that one. Gotta find these other monsters before I can win. Oh, he's one of them. Okay. Got two more, one of them's down here, so. Excuse me for that burp, that was rude, but I did it. What are these? Chance of rewards. Ooh. Bustling fungus. Heal quickly for standing still for 2 seconds. Ooh, I like that. What about this one? Type of teddy bear. Reduce incoming damage by 14%. Ooh. Can I just like spam this? Uh-oh. Chance of rewards. I have. It's worth 117. How much do I have? I have enough. I don't know what that one gave me. Unlock Fall Shrine 3 times in a row. Oh wow. Woo! I have a lot more things now. Dang it! No. I didn't even take any damage from that anymore. That is cool. All right, let's teleport. Here I go! Oh no, I left my little robot. Okay, follow me. Ancient Valley, Frozen Tundra. Oh. Thwid. Release a balloon of thwids detonating on impact. How do I use that? What's the button for that? How do I don't know how to use it. I'll find out, I guess. Ooh, there's like a mammoths and stuff here. Cool. Ah! Whoa. Yeah, please. I don't really hit too hard, but they are a lot of them. Go, Sentry, go. Go, Sentry, go. I like this game, it's fun. Blow up already. God damn, I wasted that shot bullet. Fuck. Damn it, show up. Back, beast, back. Oh, jeez. Nope. I just killed a thing. It looks like a living man. I'm happy about nothing. And you guys should. Oh, good! Rockets! 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 Oh, I'm gonna die, aren't I? Oh my god, I didn't die from that. I'm gonna take reduced damage. Get back. I hurt you. Is it? How do you get this thing? Ow. I don't know how to use a thing. Down away. Die before you kill me. Get away. Fire, you keep flying. Yeah, okay. Stand still for 2 seconds and I get more healing. Alright, what's this thing? Press A to start a selection. A selection? I don't know what that is. I don't know when this thing saves really. So when does that do this? It's just other stuff. Resume. I don't know how to save. Do I just play till I die? No, I highly doubt I'll play till I die. I feel like it saves no matter what, like wherever I am. Yep, here goes gun. On the teleporter. Yeah, I know. I just wanna live. These things are relentless. Run! I'm not repairing that drone. That drone does literally nothing. Oh god. Oh jeez. Stay here now. God dang, I can't even stay here and heal. If I can stay here, I can just heal, right? Alright. I'll just stand here and heal for a little while. Because those guys down there will delete me if I go down there. Ah, dang it. Even more are spawning? My weapons aren't strong enough. Wait a minute. I can see I can climb up here. I don't have enough money for whatever this thing is. What's a selection? I don't know what that is. What is a selection? Yeah, just press A to start selection. I don't know what a selection is, darn it. What the clip clop is a selection? Okay. Give me it. What does it do? Roll, you pitiful loser. You're gonna be such a Wilkins. Ah, missiles. Okay. What does the knife do? Chance to bleed on hit. That seems like a good thing. They're healing down there. This is a terrible idea. What have I done? Immune. Go. Okay. I need to see the controls real quick because I don't know how to use that thing. Enters a use oh, it's G. Wait, where are you guys going? You guys didn't do anything. God dang it. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it here because I think I'm playing for a little while now. So, until next time everyone, remember that there's a game at the end of every tunnel. See you later guys.